Hello students, good morning students. Good morning all of you. Today I will take your English class and the chapter I was doing, that is Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Okay. And today I will continue with the same. Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Okay, and today I will do the next exercises. All of you open page number 48 and you can see a picture over here that you have to color. Color the chili red and the parrot in colors of your choice, and you know what colors you need to do. So this will be your homework. Page number 48. Page number 48 will be your homework. Okay. You have to color this parrot and you know how to do this. Okay. Now let's come to page number 49. Page number 49, we will do the matching. Here we can see some fruits and some trees and we have to match it. Let's do this. You can do it in your book. Okay. You can do this in your book. First, I will read the first column, then the second column. First word is, we can see here the fruit, banana. I am writing again, don't worry. I just need more space. First fruit name is banana. Second fruit is, what is the name of the second fruit? Can you read and tell me? Coconut. Third fruit, apple. Fourth, grapes. And 5, mango. Now the tree's name. Coconut tree, first one. Second tree, apple tree. Third, banana tree. Fourth, mango tree. And 5, grapevine. Now all of you tell me the answer. Yes, Arushi, Antara. Very good. Banana tree, banana will be. So we will write here number 1. We will number matching. Okay. We will do number matching. In number 1, that is banana, so it will be banana tree. And number 2 is coconut. And the tree is can you tell me? Yes, Obhiroop, good. Coconut will be coconut tree. Here, number 2 coconut. Number 2 coconut is a coconut tree. Yes, Antara, apple. Number 3 apple. So, number 3 here apple tree. Yes, Rishan. Sheikh, very good. Apple tree. And number 4 is grapes. Grapes will be, yes, Obhiroop, very good. Arushi, Zarin, yes, very good. And grapes, grapevine. Number 4 here. Number 4 here, grapevine. Yes, Odrij, grapes, grapevine. And number 5 is left. You can see mango. We all know. Mango tree. Clear? So number 1 banana. Banana tree. Number 2 coconut. Coconut tree. Number 3 apple. Apple tree. Number 4 grapes. Grapevine. And number 5 mango, that is mango tree. Yes, Zarin, very good. So all of you have completed. Now will I erase? Will I erase now? All of you completed? Let me know. Okay, and the other ones? Okay. Then I am erasing it now. Okay. Now let's come to page number 50. Page number 50. Page number 50. You can see that you are told to draw over the dotted lines. You can draw this. So this will be your homework. And you can see also here some words in the yellow colored box. In the yellow colored box, there are some words you can see. Let's read aloud. First word is bat. Yes, Zarin, that part you will do. All of you will do this at your home. Now let's read the box. Yellow box. First word is bat. B-A-T, bat. Second word I am reading like this, this. Okay. Second word is cat, C-A-T, cat. Third word is mat, M-A-T, mat. Fourth one, from this column you can see bed, B-E-D, bed. Then fade, F-E-D, fade. Then red, R-E-D, red. This column, okay? Bed, fade, red. You can see all are kind of a rhyming words. Then the third column, beat. First word, beat, B-I-T, beat. H-I-T, heat, B-I-T, beat. H-I-T, heat. P-I-T, pit, P-I-T, pit. And now the fourth column, D-O-T, dot, D-O-T, dot. H-O-T, hot, P-O-T, pot. So all of you read aloud with me, P-O-T, pot. And the last column, B-U-N, bun, F-U-N, fun, R-U-N, run. Okay? B-U-N, bun, F-U-N, fun, R-U-N, run. Okay? Let's read this once again. Bat, cat, mat, bed, fed, red, bit, heat, peat, dot, hot, pot, and bun, fun, run. Okay. Now let's come to the sir, they are saying something. দেখি তো একবার কি বলছে, আওয়াজ হচ্ছে, কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না। আওয়াজ হচ্ছে, কোথায় আওয়াজ হচ্ছে? Okay, now let's see this last part. Here you have to understand that in grammar class you are doing a, an or the. So from there we come to know the some about vowels. Which are vowels? Which are vowels? Which letters are vowels? Can you tell me? Vowels are, let's see who can tell me. Sir, देखिए एक बार, sir, एक बार देखिए बाच्चागुलो की दिच्छे. Yes, very good, all of you. A, E, I, O, U. Very good, I'm glad to know that you know this. A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. Now let's do the fill in the blanks. First one. So, with which letter we can fill it? Yes, We can fill it with I, a, sat, whatever, sit. We can fill it with F dash N. Yes, Adrij, fan. We can fill it with A, fan. Next one, P dash G. We can fill it with I, P-I-G. Very good. P-I-G. Next is L dash G. Yes, L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. All of you are correct. Very good. Then B dash G. Yes, big, B-I-G, big. Then again S dash T. Again, yes, we can write it sat. Yes, we can fill it with S-A-T, sat. Okay, all of you have done. This part I will erase up to this. Up to this will I erase? All of you have done? Okay. And then D dash T. Yes, dot. Very good. All of you are correct. D-O-T dot. L dash T. Lot. Yes, L-O-T lot. L-O-T lot. And then S dash N, sun. Yes, we can write it sun. Yes, very good, very good. V dash N, we can write it bun. Yes, we can write it also bin. B-U-N, bun, or B-I-N, bin, you can write. Okay. So up to this we have completed on page number, and after this we will do some extra works, and your homeworks pages, page number 48 and page number 50. Homework pages that you have to do, page number 48 and 50. Okay. Okay, now let's do some extra works, some fill in the blanks from the story. Okay, I am erasing now. Okay. All of you will write it in your copy. All of you will write it in your copy. Okay? Mittu was a dash. Who was Mittu? Tell me the answer. Yes, all of you, very good. Mittu was a parrot. Mittu saw a big dash mango on a tree. Yes, yellow. Mittu saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu saw a dash balloon. Which color? Let me know. Let's see. Yes, Zarin. Yes, Antara, Sheikh. Very good. Odrij. Red balloon. Vithika, Ahona. Good. So, Mittu saw a red balloon. Mittu was a parrot. Mittu saw a big yellow mango on a tree. And Mittu saw a red balloon. All of you have completed. So today I have just done the fill in the blanks part. I mean some extra works from here. And I will also provide this in your e-portal. Okay. I will also do some more extra works, but that will be in your later classes. All of you up to this completed? This fill in the blanks, these three? Okay. Good. So today is up to this. Today is up to this. All of you study well at your home. Have a nice day. Bye for today.